Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir at home without grains. Using a direct set starter culture is a fantastic way to enjoy homemade kefir without the commitment of caring for live grains. It simplifies the process, making it accessible for everyone. You'll get all the wonderful benefits of fermented milk with just a few easy steps, perfect for a healthy lifestyle. To begin, gather your simple supplies. You'll need 1 packet of direct set kefir starter culture, which is a powdered form. Also, have 4 cups of fresh dairy milk ready. Whole milk or 2% works best. Avoid ultra-pasteurized milk for optimal results. A clean 1-quart glass jar and a non-metal spoon are also necessary. Finally, grab a coffee filter or a breathable cloth and a rubber band for the jar's cover. Now, let's start the fermentation. Pour 2 cups of your milk into the clean glass jar. Sprinkle in the entire packet of direct set kefir starter culture and stir gently until it is fully dissolved. Then, add the remaining 2 cups of milk and mix everything thoroughly with your non-metal spoon. Cover the jar loosely with the coffee filter or cloth, secured by a rubber band. Place it in a draft-free spot, out of direct sunlight, at room temperature, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it culture for 12 to 18 hours. Your kefir is ready when it has thickened to the consistency of buttermilk or heavy cream. It should also have a pleasant, slightly sour aroma. If it hasn't thickened after 18 hours, allow it a few more hours, checking periodically. Once ready, remove the loose cover, place a tight lid on the jar, and refrigerate your homemade kefir. It will stay fresh for up to 2 to 3 weeks. You can even use a 1/4 cup of your finished kefir to start 2 to 7 more batches, before needing a new starter packet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.